Good morning. I am Honorable Abubakar Yakubu. I am Assembly Member for Dohna Electoral Area under the Tamale Metro, where Tamale Teaching Hospital is. In fact, Tamale Teaching Hospital is in my jurisdiction. I want to stand here and thank the Honorable Minister of Health for his visit to Tamale Teaching Hospital. In fact, he has done so great. We need to applaud him for that. In fact, Tamale Teaching Hospital is now a death trap to the people of Ghana, not only in Tamale. Tamale Teaching Hospital, as we all know it, is never the same. In fact, things are worse there. Things are very worse there. So the administration need to work on that. In fact, we've complained severally to the administration, particularly me. I did several times. I called a meeting to sit with the administration, with the board, but they never give me the attention. They never. What kind of administration is this? Look, people have been complaining too much. I'm a victim. My wife delivered at TTH on CS. In fact, I regretted sending my wife to TTH. I complained severally. Look, the amount of money they've been taking from patients. Aside from that, the negligence of... Look, there are a whole lot we can count off. In fact, Health Minister, you did so great. If you were to pass it through the right distance, in fact, you wouldn't get this information. You wouldn't know what is going on there. They would have covered everything and then you go back and we'll still be crying. Can you imagine if you send your wife or a patient to Tamale Teaching Hospital, particularly when they are going to do CS on this, they request for a list of items to buy. And here are some of it. A nose mark. A nose mark was not in this hospital. Nose mark. These gloves, it wasn't in the hospital. It was listed onto my distance to buy. In fact, some petty things, you ask yourself, come on, yekalab and yarama, come on. Look, the annoying thing for all, the annoying thing at the end is that when they discharge you, they bill you have to pay in addition. Despite you bought all your items, you pay all items, you pay all medicines on all that. But when they discharge you, look, they discharge my wife and bill me 400 and something Ghana cedis. In fact, I couldn't bear it. I couldn't bear it. I went to the administration to complain. I told them to view what, to break it down for me, to break the bill for me. Do you know what they made mention? They made mention of maintenance. I asked them, why do I have to pay maintenance? Doesn't government pay maintenance to the hospital? Look at this. Sometimes it's out of hand. Look, unsur la tenanama. Ndanya na tihna morlana. Ngunsu zalana. To suhur pambabambe na yele. Ni gbilgin ndanya na table. Tanna nye bihima to nuel za bihim pam. Ye to ashanga biane to to yelle tanete en yel ka bolen ndanya na yule de tamsin yangte. Tan yella te banama. Kabana ye gbilgin tihna morlan table. Ne Tamale Teaching Hospital ke yuaw. Katanda miya shipti shalma mbala. Nere da samble man yerung. Man nye dwahna yela samble man yerung. Tamale Teaching Hospital shelton da mi ma ka denen lambong. De ke yuaw. La shanga ban dir barnam san na ban non de barnam negligence ban yihban ka che barnama. Na yel na halbu ku barnam shawakar ku ya Tamale Teaching Hospital nam kuba. Ba zongona ka ba to attention. Ka ku chusong. Bete mbangla wen te chirme. Now the complaint can not come to me, the assembly member. Then I will pay 1 week, so I can not yama. Never tamlo bar oxygen a shipton. Ka oxygen martin nage, kabo bungun tamle maji. Oko disconnect the calap temoshel kabo boje within an hour time ka barmachi. Halka now so hal the line you won't video on lab colema. Kadonko. Bill Sangabon could turn near Bakaba, you are a carbon, me and you are a full lash. And she was on patch and I shipped the carco and the money and done with sorte. Until Doctor so when no operation mark. I will list it money into Dana. Money and da face mark, no smack shallow and pama, no money and da. Come on, some petty things won't cut a jar ship to cut a cutting and non sham. Mamunya assembly member, Uncle Tulim Hantichi. There's what a party minister so cannot near to a shell mat, a paro, Orion yell no jewel swear, announce it to a no canmana. Now the banana cover when you're a pamka winya. Amata Sura minister, whoever does see this video should forward it to the minister. That the assembly member of the area, I wish to meet the minister. I have evidence. Nyama, receipting them kupa lorum puno, receipting them. Kakul ben yakamande, what is it for? Ki jara the mazaha at the end, katiyata no kwamka ship the man. Kamal water tankanama. A ship the man malar dollar water tanka. How come ka kwamkarne? According to water company, a ship to my lorry cannot to come over Pierre Folly, over Pierre Folly. Now, the new Yaroma, Casso Yurlam can yara, Mananya assembly members until a ship to man below Shalma. Complain can man a pump. Several times can cook born and mina ship to my genica, the chance. This was to Surme, to the Bang Nanama, to the Bang Karachinema, to Toon Danama, Ibi is Zane. I ship to my Twashelden, you know, my trouble in Nabala. Now you try Yama. I ship to one administration, ma, but pam, but my private hospitals. Government it, Bena, Cabadians and Tabamang Daship to Behmani. Yes, the Bian Katamal de Shahara. Me about 6 doctors, Cababeti, come over Dahalali private hospitals. So Mumbongolana, I tell no chill Arab Wabka Faganya Vilbahi. Na wunzo temin zang bara nchanga ship tongone kartije doctor to advisor na yi mo kanu mamman da ship to ko tebu be ka changa ship tongone katinya ka ba twa bar julun surgo ko gbob julun surgo ma ka gbob test nchan ganda ship tuma no non ka danya nesenam tumande ba ai chang lo shapro down south temin zang bar changa ship to down south kwalegu kartinya la ya inin kwan yime nes ma yan number shakam te barma shargo ko yen chibu Komko yen chiho, lab test in yale, next man yan runner zat barma, ka barma ku bios ko basiro ko dwe ka malafe, ngolongo konko yen tla barma so do ko pam. De zon ye twa wan nan walem, yan suhma dagbang asan zanema. Tibi yis zane, ka yel na tiam bola malgo titi je to ashel den nan ma, de malgo zanya me ya. Administration ma de tamba. Hadi ben taba ben vin livin yelenga, nya ben to tum tumama na nyule. Ben to zapta kate dagbang. Kat dagbang konko ka TTH server ho. Kat dagbang ko ka server nyama. Ben sharan ba ha te Togo. Refera si yirla ni pour kana TTH. De zon suhriyame. TikTokers, Facebook. Ben mun kambe lo kam on social media share this video. Share yale kara tout de pardon to never pass ba. Na to kuhura. Mangumi kuhu mananye the right person nan cry. Man, you're the right person. You know, Jalagban fighter, Mborsoya, Namina administration, Marco Gine, Karniamal, about the Zaha, they don't give you time. Anto call it administrator, come on, Kako be neighbor, Kabia, and Zalaka and call it, Piaro, Dipa Piaro, Mumki and call, Kako call a whole day, Koba call. Katex Koba Gargi. What is it for? So, Sur la Dagbang, Yemiana Kat Zapta Teaching Hospital Zoo. Na onga fara ka te beso te puka pate. Mpae pam.